In this video, we are going to learn eventual consistency principle. In the last video, we have learned the CQRS pattern and how to use CQRS pattern with event sourcing pattern. Now we will talk about the concepts of eventual consistency principle, which has happened that when we use CQRS with the event sourcing pattern. So what is eventual consistency principle? Eventual consistency is especially used for the systems that prefer high availability to strong consistency. The system will become consistent after a certain time, but it doesn't guarantee strong consistency. We call this latency is an eventual consistency principle and offers to be consistent after a certain time. And as you remember that when we are learning the CAP theorem, we also learned the consistency levels. According to CAP theorem, we need to consider the consistency level that we need. So that means in our application, we should ask ourselves what is the consistency level requirement of our microservice databases. So there are two types of consistency level. The first one is strong or strict consistency, which is aimed at when we save data, the data should affect and seen immediately for every client. We can give example of strict consistency is debit or withdraw on bank account. And the other type is eventual consistency. Basically, when we write any data, it will take some time for clients reading the data. We can give example of eventual consistency is YouTube video counters. We seen different video numbers and in different sessions. So with implementing CQRS design pattern and event sourcing pattern, when user perform any action into application, this will save actions as an event into event store. And this data will convert to reading database with following the publish subscribe pattern using the message brokers. And this data will be denormalized into materialized vir database for querying from the application. So during the process of converting the event store to denormalized data, this system will be eventual consistency. And that means we call this process is a eventual consistency principle. As you can see that we have learned several microservice query patterns in this section. So these are the materialized vir pattern, CQRS design pattern, event sourcing pattern, and eventual consistency principle. So now it is time to learn how to use or where to use these patterns with designing our microservice architectures.